Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Smilyeez scrub handle for the Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy. This is a nice handle for using your Scrub Daddy with. It also acts as a soap dispenser as well, so you don't have to keep putting no soap on your sponge. You just put the soap inside the handle, and you have a button there. You can just squeeze it out whenever you need to soap up the sponge. And I'll show you that in action. And it fits onto the sponge real easy and comes off real easy as well. I'll show you that here. All right, let's wash some dishes. Just fill the handle with your soap or detergent like this, and just put the cap back on. Press right here to dispense the soap, and you're good to go to start washing the dishes. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.